Welcome to Enlighten Study Point.
Hello everyone, welcome to Enlighten Study Point. আজি আমি এই ভিডিঅ'ত ক্লাছ 9 জেনেৰেল সায়েন্সৰ চেপ্টাৰ 6 টিস্যু সেই চেপ্টাৰৰ পেজ নম্বৰ 79 থকা কুৱেশ্যন আনচাৰবোৰ লৈ আনিছোঁ। তো ভিডিঅ'টো ষ্টাৰ্ট কৰাৰ আগতে মই সকলোকে কৈ চাইছোঁ যে মোৰ চেনেলটো ছাবস্ক্ৰাইব কৰিব। নম্বৰ 1 দিয়া আছে ডিফাইন দ্য টাৰ্ম টিস্যু। A tissue is defined as a cluster of cells which are similar in structure and work together to perform a particular function. Number 2, দিয়া আছে how many types of elements together make up the xylem tissue? Name them. The xylem tissue is made up of 4 mainly elements. Kiki? Vessels, tracheids, xylem fiber, xylem parenchyma. Next, number 3, how are simple tissue different from complex tissue in plant? The simple tissue, they are made up of a single type of cell that perform only one common function. Complex tissue, they are made up of more than one kinds of cell that coordinate to perform one particular function. Next, number 4, differentiate between parenchyma, collenchyma, and sclerenchyma on the basis of their cell wall. প্রথমটা কি দেখছো cell walls are thin and made up of cellulose. Second, cell wall are thick at the edge due to the deposition of pectin. Third কি দেখছো cell walls are thick due to the deposition of lignin. Number 5, what are the functions of the stomata? The stomata are the tiny pores present on the outer layer of the cell, the epidermis. Stomata bring about the exchange of gases and transpiration. Question number 6 is the difference between the 3 types of muscle fiber. Diagrammatically, there are 3 types of muscle fiber. They are number 1, cardiac muscle, present in the heart, involuntary in nature. They have one nucleus. The muscle fibers are branch. The diagram dia ase 2, smooth muscle, found in lungs and alimentary canal. Involuntary in nature, they have one nucleus. They are spindle shape. Diagram dia ase. Next, third number, striated muscle. They are connected with bone, voluntary in nature. They are long and cylindrical muscle fiber. They possess many nuclei. Striated muscles are unbranched. The diagram dia ase. Next, number 7, what is the specific function of the cardiac muscle? The cardiac muscles are branched and cylindrical. They are uninucleated and are involuntary in nature. The cardiac muscles bring out a rhythmic contraction and relaxation throughout one's lifetime. তাৰপিছতে number 8 দি আছে differentiate between stated, unstated and cardiac muscle on the basis of the structure and site location in the body. The number 1, shape structure. কি দি আছে নো long cylindrical non tapering. এখন দি আছে long and tapering, they are unbranched. আৰু ইয়াত দি আছে cylindrical and non tapering, they are branched. Location in body. কি দি আছে hand, legs and skeletal muscle. হয়. Next, wall of stomach, intestine, utera and bronchi. আৰু heart, dark and light, present, absent, present but less. Question number 9, draw a level diagram of a neuron. The diagram to dia ase structure of neuron. Number 10, name the following tissue that form the inner lining of our mouth. The epithelial tissue, squamous epithelium. B, কি দি আছে নো টিস্যু that connect muscle to bone in human কি কোৱা হয় নো টেণ্ডন C tissue that transport food in plants কি কয় poem tissue that store fat in our body কি কোৱা হয় নো adipose tissue E connective tissue with a fluid matrix blood it is a fluid connective tissue F কি দিছে নো tissue present in the brain কি কোৱা হয় nervous tissue number 11 identify the types of tissue in the following হয় skin stratified squamous epithelial tissue তাৰপিছতে bark of tree protective tissue and cork bone connective tissue lining of kidney tubule cuboidal epithelial tissue তাৰপিছতে vascular bundle conduction tissue complex permanent tissue number 12 name the region in which parenchyma tissue is present the parenchyma is found in the pit of stem and root when parenchyma contain chlorophyll it is called a chlorenchyma it is found in green leaves parenchyma found in aquatic plants has large air cavities which enable them to float and are hence called parenchyma number 13 what is the role of epidermis in plant the epidermis in plants form an uninterrupted and continuous layer that has no intercellular space it provides protection number 14 how does the cork act as a protective tissue cork cells are dead the arrangement of cell is so dense that there is no intercellular space deposition of suberin is observed on the wall of the cell that make them impervious to water and gases তাৰপিছতে 15 নম্বৰ দিছে complete the following chart এইটো parenchyma sclerenchyma আৰু phloem তাৰ আজি ভিডিঅ'ত এইটা কোৱেশ্চনছ আছিলে নেক্সট ভিডিঅ'ত বেলেগ এটা চেপ্টাৰ লৈ আনিম ভিডিঅ' চাই থাকিব ভিডিঅ' চাই ভাল পাইছে যদি লাইক শ্বেয়াৰ আৰু ছাবস্ক্ৰাইব কৰি দিব ধন্যবাদ